Watch this little guy in action. So to open the blade, you push this little button and then you can open it up just like that. Now look at the edge on that guy. So it's really sharp and pointed on that side. And then the blade is really sharp too. But watch it cut through the tape on this. Ooh! Cuts through it just like butter. And if you use that front little tip, it cuts even better. So impressed with this little knife. Now, let me tell you some of the other features. Now to close it, you push that same button again, and then it's ready to close. And on the other side, you've got a multi-tool, same idea, you need to push the button to open it. So you open it and you've got a pointed end like a screwdriver. Then you've also got a bottle opener. And this little slot, I'm not sure. I'm sure it serves a function for something. Pretty impressive. And then same idea to close that guy. You push the button. Well, I'll do it this way so you can see it. So you push the button and then it closes very easily. And then you've got a little clip. You could clip this to something. Think like a backpack or a bag or something like that. But the beautiful part of this is the size of it. You see how it fits in the palm of my hand? It's a little guy and it's light and it's made well. This is not a cheap pocket knife that feels like it's gonna break anytime soon. This is solid. Now, I speak as a guy whose dad and grandfather always carried a pocket knife, always. If you ever needed one, all you had to do is ask them. They've always got their pocket knife in their pocket. So to me, this is really impressive because I could see my dad carrying this in his pocket. You'd hardly notice it's there. I don't carry one in my pocket, but I'm gonna keep this close in the kitchen so that I always know where it is. And it's handy because I will use it for opening boxes and doing all kinds of things just like that. Very impressive knife. I recommend it. Buy one today.